so welcome to my video, and this is Boombaya Plays Roblox speaking here, and my real name is Pete. And today I made this welcome home box. So, but there's a mini dep. So we got Frank, Julie, Poppy, Barnaby, Home, and the official character Wally, or is he the official character? So let's guess what we got. It means if we get an apple, that means we got Wally. So we got cookies. Wait, we got an apple. It means we got Wally. Scissors. I do not know how to draw scissors. So please agree to that side. Oh, we got Wally. Yes, he's been my old favorite character. And this is for this coloring book is for my friend named So it's a coloring book. It had 10 pages. You can color them.
Anong premyo nila, Bandang? Anong premyo nila? Kapag nakapagbigay sila ng magandang vitamins para sa'yo. Ang tawag ng dapat ang vitamin.
And yes, I love crostini, and Mara loves pizza.
Pangrayuma daw eh.
And this is ramen. Wait.
Kain lang kayo.
Okay, so this is Rama, and this is Shen Shen.
Para mamaya may stroke to.
And this is page 9 and page 10. So I know you cannot see it. So here's page 9, and this is page 10. Okay, so and this is us trying to do the Chinese military. And I am grade 3, and I am a cat lover. And yes, my daddy is watching Daddy Frankie, and he is always watching that and he's always watching that when he sleeps. Tama ba ako po, Daddy? Lagi ka po nanonood ng Daddy Frankie eh. Tama ba po ako?
Alright. Ha?
Yeah, guys. Sorry, guys. My dad always shouts when someone shouts his name. And so I think he is. Wait, so we got. Oh yes, we got the spoon. We got a spoon.
Lagi parang may ipag-agawan. Maraming pagkain dito.
And this is so cute. Okay, so let's put. Yes, I covered it with tape for it to not get wet. Except the back. I'm just lazy to do the back. Okay, there he is. I just measured his size to make this by my fingers. And yes, I made him. And yes, it also comes with cookies. And if Jana is watching, Mara, make sure to share the coloring book with her. Just make sure she doesn't scribble it. Okay, so we got a baby bottle. Huh?
Nabali ka lang tayo.
Salamat po.
Ay, yung boy ko. Nagsabi siya.
Ano tayo?
Sunod daan yung mga rider mo, na rider nyo doon.
Pag may bitaw kita te.
Opo.
O kaya pag bilang mo.
Diyan saan ka pumupunta? Ikaw
So,
talaga.
pumunta te.
Eh,
Tulog.
sige po.
Ay ka na dun.
And yes,
O
my...
sabi ko nag-aksi kita te. Alas 3. Tapos naligo.
Wait lang! Sorry guys, my dad is such a sleepyhead.
Ayos yan dyan ah. Yun.
Okay, so we got him in here.
Busog na?
So let's go make him some milk. Apple flavored milk. And
Ate Maricel? Ay, siya
not steady. Okay, if these things fall, I am so cooked by my daddy.
Bibigyan niya pagkain yung mga puso.
Okay, so this is new, so let's go grab some scissors.
Busin mo muna yan.
Kain ka lang, ha? Para tumaba ka.
Wow!
Yan. Payo
Pag umalis pa, tiharap na lang tayo ng ibang alagaan, no?
Oo, ha? Kasi makulit si Bandam, eh. Gusto pa niya yung galagala, eh. Diba? Saan ka pumupunta, eh.
Okay, so now it's open. We need the spoon. And let's put
Medium coffee.
it and
Okay ka natin, Maricel? Satisfied? Wow.
ano po yon?
Tanungin mo si Bandam kung satisfied.
Ay, ano yun?
Ha?
Meron.
And
Yan, si Ate Luden, oh. Taubos niya rin, oh.
23.
so let's feed him the milk.
Ha?
Ano nga ito? Chunchun?
Sarap ba, Bandam?
Here he is. He's drinking the milk.
Sige, busin mo yan.
Nabusog siya.
Nanginginig ka pa sa ano?
Nabusog sila sa prutas. Dapat nauna to, tas prutas.
So for Wally, we can feed him some cookies.
Mas ma-importante raw yung
Yeah,
prutas
so
na bago
I am
mo.
in a hurry by making the cookies, so ignore the chocolate chip cookies like that. Okay, so since he finished his milk bottle, let's reward him with some cookies. I made him 3. And yes, and now he is full. And
Sige binigyan niya? Oo. Dapat dinala niyo rito.
okay, so this is about me.
Ay, bakit nandiyan yung mga
I am the youngest, and I have siblings. Just because they are now adults, I am a tita.
kumain na? Talaga si Junjun pagkakain.
Clint calls me ate, and Clint is a kuya
At home na dito.
because he has a youngest.
Very good. O, dito ka lang. Huwag ka nang aalis, ha?
Because he has a young,
Hindi gumagaling. Dito ka lang, ha? Okay, very good.
and my dad is 52 years old. Bye, guys.